Have you ever wanted to share a tweet exclusively with a select group of people instead of your entire followers? X, formerly Twitter, has a feature called Circle that lets you do just that. Most people get this wrong by thinking all tweets are public, but here's the simple way to tweet only to your circle. First, you need to create your circle. On X, tap your profile picture, go to Settings and Privacy, then select Privacy and Safety, and finally Twitter Circle. Here, you can add up to 150 people. These are the people who will see your exclusive tweets. You can update the list anytime, add friends, remove inactive followers, or include new contacts. Once your circle is set up, composing a tweet is easy. When you tap to create a new tweet, look for the Everyone button above the text box. Tap it and select Twitter Circle instead. Now, whatever you write will only be visible to the people in your circle. A small green icon will appear, letting you know the tweet is private to your circle. Most people get this wrong by assuming circle tweets can be retweeted publicly. Actually, they cannot. Only members of your circle can see, like, or reply. This makes it perfect for sharing updates, plans, or thoughts without broadcasting to your entire follower base. A pro tip: use circle tweets for testing content, personal updates, or special announcements. You can experiment with what resonates before sharing it publicly. Another thing to remember is that while your circle is private, screenshots can still be shared outside the circle. So, always be mindful of sensitive information. In conclusion, tweeting to your X circle is a great way to maintain privacy and control over who sees your messages. Set up your circle, choose it when tweeting, and enjoy a more personal, curated interaction with your followers. Subscribe for more X tips, social media hacks, and tricks to make your online presence smarter and safer.